just for proper
Yes.
guidance.
We are trying to get the original, and in the meantime, we ask for conditional marking.
So you don't have yet the original?
As of now, not yet.
I just want to be clear on that.
May I request, Your Honor, that this letter dated May 13, 1999 be marked as Exhibit 226.
Mark it accordingly.
Okay, sinasaad sa sulat, before that, meron hong nakapirma diyan sa sulat na yan sa pagkataas ng city administrator. Kaninong sulat ho, kaninong pirma ho yan?
Ito po yung city administrator ng panahong yun, Antonio Fernando.
Okay, sinasaad sa sulat ng city administrator na mayroong cadastral map, nakalakip yung sulat na yan. Natatandaan ba ninyo yung mapa na yan?
Opo, ito po yung location noong lote na aming tinitignan at tinihingi.
May I request, Your Honor, that cadastral map attached to the letter dated May 13, 1999 be marked as Exhibit 226-A.
Mark it accordingly.
Ano ba ang inyong profesyon?
Ako po ay kumuha ng arkitektura sa UST. Pero hindi po ako nagpa-practice at hindi po ako nakakuha ng board.
Bilang isang estudyante na kumuha ng arkitektura, nakakaintindi po ba kayo ng cadastral map and sketch?
Opo, ako po ay naging National Housing Authority General Manager din noong 1986 after the EDSA Revolution under President Cory's administration.
Okay. Ipapakita ko sa inyo itong mapa. Saan dito yung lupain ng Basagidote na gusto ho ninyong makuha para relocation site ng Sampaloc Market?
Nasa kanto po, panulukan ng Legarda at Bustillos. Ito po yung dalawang main avenue sa Sampaloc,
Your
distrito
Honor,
ng
please,
Sampaloc.
again, it appears to be a mere photocopy. So,
Same manifestation.
same manifestation.
May we request that that portion of the map be marked as Exhibit 226-B.
Mark it accordingly.
Pakituro rin po
present
ninyo.
name now of Legarda and Bustillos if there was any change?
Ano raw ho ang pangalan ng kalye ng Legarda at Bustillos kung napalitan na?
Hindi po. Legarda pa rin po.
Legarda pa rin
Opo.
po.
At
Bustillos pa rin.
Bustillos pa rin po.
O sige. Salamat.
Hindi po kami nagpapalit ng pangalan noong mga panahon yun.
Pakitingnan ho nga uli ninyo itong mapa o sketch at ituro ninyo kung saan yung lupa ng Old and New Sampaloc Market.
Kaya na sinabi ko po, yung Old and New Sampaloc Market na due for demolition ay nasa harapan lang in this portion. Ito po yung Basagidote property across, pero medyo inward. May setback ng konti from Legarda, about 50 meters away from Legarda.
May I request, Your Honor, that the area that was pointed out by the witness be marked as Exhibit 226-C.
Mark it accordingly.
Nasabi ninyo kanina na inutusan ninyo ang city administrator na sumulat sa Basagidote noong Mayo 13, 1999. Sinagot ho ba yung sinabing sulat?
Wala po eh. Matagal na panahong hindi tumutugon. Kaya ninanag ko nga po yung city administrator ko at napapagalitan ko. Sabi ko, ba't walang reply? Walang reaction. Are they interested or not? warningan mo. Siyempre, ako po bilang mayor, I was agitated. I was being pressured by the LRT people that they were going to take over the public market. There was agitation among the stall holders. There was, of course, the barangays in the area demanding for a solution to the impasse. Pinagagalitan ko yung city administrator ko. You get action done. Hindi pwede sumulat ka lang.
So, ano ang ginawa ho ninyo?
Nung hindi po sumasagot, naalala ko, I went to the city council and talked to Vice Mayor Danny Lacuna and asked them already, prepare an expropriation measure. That seems to be the only way we can take hold of that property. Kung ine-expropriate tayo sa kanan, expropriate natin sa kaliwa.
Ano ang nangyari sa pinasulong ninyong
Umaksyon po naman agad si Vice Mayor Lacuna. Immediately, an expropriation measure was passed, discussed and passed, at hinawakan ko na po yun. And I told my staff, kung hindi lalapit yung mga yan, kasuhan na lang natin.
Pinapakita ko po sa inyo ang ordinansya bilang 7975 na may petsang Enero 24, 2000 na hinihingi ko pong mamarkahan na Exhibit 227.
Yan po yung ordinansa, 7975.
Meron hong mga pirma dyan sa ordinansang yan. Doon sa itaas na pangalan na Danilo Lacuna. Kanino hong pirma yon?
Ito po yung pirma niya, sapagkat kilala ko pong pirma ni Vice Mayor. Ito po naman sa kaliwa, kilala ko po ito, pirma ko po ito.
Okay. Doon ho sa attesting witnesses.
Yung po yung pirma naman ng aking sekretaryo, si Attorney Emmanuel Sison, at yung sa kanan po naman ay Secretary of the City Council, Attorney Rodolfo Lapid.
Bakit ho ninyo alam na yun ang kanilang pirma?
Yun po ang aming madalas na pirmahan ng aming mga dokumento na nagbumula po sa City Council.
Okay. Napuna ko po na isinasaad sa Section 1 ng ordinansang yan na ang lupa na i-expropriate ay sa pag-aari ng Guidotti Mercantile Corporation. Ngunit ang sinabi ninyo kanina ay ang may-ari ng lupa na paglilipatan ng palengke ng Sampaloc ay Basa Guidotti Enterprises. Maaari ba ninyong ipaliwanag ito?
Kung mababasa po ninyo sa ordinansa, nababanggit po rito ang ilang parsela. In fact, there are about 5 parcels of land mentioned in the ordinance, and based on what the City Council may have researched, a number of these parcels of land, or maybe a majority of them, belong to the Guidotti Mercantile Corporation. Kaya yun ang ginamit po sa headline, sa heading. And pero sa amin pong pagsasaliksik, eventually, yung lot number 76220, the Basa property, belong to the Basa Guidotti Enterprise. Yun po ang kadahilanan kaya hindi po naging eksakto ang impormasyon sa ordinansa.
Na sabi ho ninyo ang TCT number 76220. Pinapakita ko po sa inyo ang certified true copy ng TCT number 76220 na gusto naming markahan ng Exhibit 228.
Ito po ang nakita kong titulo. Ito po nakatala. Basa Guidotti Enterprise Incorporated.
May I request, Your Honor, that this TCT number 76220 consisting of 2 pages, 4 pages, be marked as Exhibit 228.
Mark it accordingly.
May I also request, Your Honor, that the registered owner of this TCT number 76220, namely Basa Guidotti Enterprises, Inc., be bracketed and submarked as Exhibit 228-A.
Mark it accordingly.
Kung mapupunan ninyo, meron hong 2 lote na nakasaad dyan sa TCT number 76220. Ano ho ba dyan sa 2 lote ang gustong makuha ng lungsod ng Maynila upang maging relocation site ng palengke ng Sampaloc?
Tama po, 2 bahagi po itong titulo ito eh. Yung isang 200 square meters at saka yung 1,027 square meters. Yung pong mas malaking bahagi ang aming talagang interesado kami.
Nag-appropriate po ba ang City Council ng halaga upang ma-expropriate yung lupa na ginugusto ninyo?
Meron po. Immediately, they appropriated 30 million pesos available for this, authorized for this particular ordinance and purchase of the parcel of land.
Is that appropriation found in the ordinance that you earlier mentioned?
Andito po sa heading yun. Appropriating 30 million pesos or so much thereof. Yung po naman ang kulatilya sa expropriation, or so much thereof. In other words, it can be a bit higher, it can be a bit lower, depende po sa magiging final pricing.
Pagkatapos na ipasa yung ordinansya na yan, ano ang nangyari?
Dumaan po ang panahon na wala rin pong aksyon yung kabilang bahagi. And I remember, agitated na po kami dahil parang ayaw yata maniwala sa ating desisyon. Akin pong binigyan ng direktiba yung secretary to the mayor and our legal officer, draft a letter clearly stating our determined effort to get that parcel of land. Because we're already running out of time. We cannot allow the old market to be demolished without a relocation lot assured. Or at least the emergency stalls to be constructed in. Kaya inatasan ko po yung sekretaryo ko to draft a letter practically stating that and quoting a price as a first step towards our communication lines.
Okay. Did your secretary actually draft the letter?
Opo, immediately.
Okay. Pinapakita ko po sa inyo ang isang sulat na may petsang Nobyembre 28, 2000 na hinihingi ko pong mamarkahan na Exhibit 229.
Ito po yung sulat, gusto ko lang idiin, na in the second to the last paragraph, I personally asked my secretary to include this. If we still do not hear from you within 5 days from receipt of this demand, we shall be constrained to file the necessary complaint of expropriation against you and take possession of your property upon deposit of 20%.